Joe is a great dog. Every feature that you expect to see in an Affenpinscher that's so hard to find, he possessed that. I knew right away that he wasn't just a regular dog. He's remarkably intelligent. Even though he's little and he's funny looking, he is so serious really about everything. My relationship with Joe is all about respect. This is a dog that you have to befriend first. And then once you win him over, he'll give you his heart back. When the judge pointed at Joe for Best in Show Westminster, he knew he won. Joe knows he's a champion. I was more like overwhelmed than he was. He started barking away to everybody, like saying, look what I did. Like he knew, like he wasn't a big deal for him. It was just, needed to have the chance to prove it, that's all. Purina Pro Plan brings out in Joe all that's required. All the top winners at the dog show are fed with Pro Plan. It keeps his coat great, his muscles are fine, he enjoys the food, and the proof is there.
Best in Show winner for the 137th Westminster Kennel Club Dog Show, the Affenpinscher.
In my mind, he's really a person in a fur suit. This really is remarkable. But that's what he was, really. He was triumphant, and he's really a small breed with a huge heart. That's how remarkable he is.